If you like making polymer clay animals, you'll love making this octopus. It's easy to make in a few simple steps, so let me show you how. For this project, you'll need turquoise, light pink, white, and black polymer clay, a toothpick, and a non-metal baking dish. Start by making the octopus's tentacles. We're going to be making 8 of them. It's easiest to work in 2 sections, so roll out 2 pieces of clay into a snake about 1/8 of an inch thick. Roll out 2 ropes of the light pink clay as well, and make these ropes about twice as skinny as the blue ones. Trim the ropes so the ends are the same length. Stick one of the pink ropes onto one of the blue ropes and smush it on so that the 2 are connected. Roll the rope just a little bit to flatten out the pink part, but make sure that it doesn't twist too much. You want it to pretty much stay in the same spot. Do the same thing with the other rope. Now cut the sections into 4 pieces each. Fold down one end of each piece just a little bit. Set the raw edges together in the middle and form a circle with all of your tentacles. Flatten the center of the circle and arrange all of the tentacles so they are even around the circle. Roll a large marble-sized ball of the turquoise clay and press it down in the middle of the tentacles and press it firmly so that it's secure. Roll 2 small balls of white clay to make the eyeballs and press them in place on the head, close together. Make 2 tiny balls of black clay, just as tiny as you can get them, and use the toothpick to set them in place to make the pupils in the eyes. Make a tiny ball of turquoise clay and press it on the end of the toothpick. Place it underneath and in between the eyes to make a mouth. You want a little indentation in the middle of this ball. Loosely roll each tentacle into a twist. You can use a toothpick to help you with this. When you're finished, you can use the end of a toothpick to make some detail work to make the little suckers on the pink part of the tentacles. You could also do this step after you initially rolled the legs. Once your octopus is finished, place it in a non-metal baking dish. Follow the clay manufacturer's instructions for baking. For this project, it'll be about 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, but be sure and look at the instructions. Once your octopus is baked and cooled, it's finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more polymer clay projects and other craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.